What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be attempting to teach myself how to do the tiger bend to handstand push-up and vice versa from handstand push-up to tiger bend. Now, I've seen this move 100 times and I don't have the strength to do it. However, something's just not clicking, whether it be not enough shoulder mobility or just the transition from the tiger bend to the handstand push-up. It's very difficult for me. I don't know why. I think it's a super cool movement. I see it all the time and it's awesome. So I really want to learn it. I'm going to see if I can learn it today over the course of the next hour or two. Again, I think I have the strength. It's more so just of a technique thing. So maybe I can teach myself, maybe I can't. And if I can't, this video is going to quickly turn into a video of me doing weighted handstand push-ups. So be prepared. If I fail 1,000 times, I will eventually just go to weighted handstand push-ups. I actually already have my weighted vest ready to go right here. So likelihood is if I don't get it today, I'll do weighted handstand push-ups and weighted 90-degree push-ups. Honestly, I'll probably do that anyway just because that would be my workout for the day. So I already lifted this morning, so I want to do a little bit of calisthenics now. So let's see if I can teach myself this. That would be really, really cool and awesome. And if I can't, no big deal. We'll just do our sets and reps with weighted handstand push-ups and maybe 90-degree push-ups. So let's get it. That broke. That broke real good. Nice. Amazing. All right, so the approach that I think I'm going to take is I'm going to start with tiger bend push-ups, and then I'm going to see if I could do it in a piked push-up, or I'll do an elevated pike push-up and see if I can get the same transition, so get used to the transition upside down, because that's definitely different than regular push-up transition. So if I can do all of that, maybe I'll just do a few attempts. I really don't know. Let's find out. Interesting. Yeah, this ain't gonna be easy. Very weird. Very weird. It feels pretty unnatural, I'm not gonna lie. Let me try it in an elevated pike push-up and see if that's any better. Also very weird. I feel like the only way to really learn this is to actually just do attempts or have somebody else hold you while you make that transition so you can get used to the transition. Obviously that's the hardest part. I can hold the tiger bend, can hold the handstand, do a bunch of handstand push-ups, including weight. So that transition is just weird. I'm gonna give it a few chances, just a few attempts, and then maybe over time I'll get better at it and be able to do it. I'm not sure, let's find out. I have no idea how to even attempt that right now. Like literally no clue. Maybe if I start in handstand, be able to go down into the tiger bend. Ooh, okay. That was kind of close. I almost drilled my foot on that, but kind of close. Oh, I just feel like I don't have the shoulder mobility to even do that. Like by the time I get into that position, I'm too wide to even hold a tiger bend. Like my tiger bend needs to be close, otherwise I can't hold it. So that might just be my issue right there. Can't hold a wide tiger bend. So there's two alternatives. Either I fix that and learn to hold that, or I do it in a close grip and have a crazy close handstand push-up, which is a lot harder than a regular one. So let's go back to the tiger bend, see if I can hold a wide one, and then take it from there. That is very uncomfortable for me. I don't think my shoulders are really meant to bend that way. Let's try it in a close grip. Way easier to hold a tiger band in a close grip for me. I don't know why. I think it's just shoulder mobility. I also have a torn labrum. Well, I tore my labrum, got surgery on it, so I have an anchor in there. I don't know if that's prohibiting me. It feels kind of locked right now. So yeah, I don't know about this. I'm gonna give it one more shot. Yeah, so I got the negative. I don't see myself getting the positive though. It seems almost like stuck down there. I don't see how I can launch myself forward in order to get back to that bottom of a handstand push-up. So again, this is very difficult for me. I think it's a shoulder mobility thing, and I just gotta continue to work on it. I probably will get better at it over time, just like everything else. It's not something I've ever done. This is like my first attempt at it. So I'm gonna try maybe getting it with one arm, see if I can do that. And then it's gonna be weighted handstand push-up day, yeah. Let's start from the top again, because that was cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna continue to work on that. You can see I learned the negative pretty quick though, so I understand the negative. The positive, something about that is very tricky. I feel like if I just get it once or twice, I'll have it. The same way I just got the negative, like now that I can do the negative, locked in my head that I can do it, I can continue to do that and get it consistently. It's just one of those things. It's a combination of strength, balance, and understanding the movement. Clearly I do not understand the positive. I think I got the negative down though. So progress for today, we'll take that as a win. If any of you out there know how to do this, have any tips for that transition up, please leave a comment or DM me, and I'd be happy to try this again in another video. So as you can see, that's how I try to learn new things. Just full send, baby. So let's get to those handstand push-ups and weighted handstand push-ups now. Running. Good day. Alright guys, so as you may be able to tell already, I am completely shot. I basically went to failure almost on every set, so I had to take a lot of rest times, especially after lifting this morning and now doing the weighted calisthenics after. You can tell I definitely sacrificed forms on those heavier weighted sets, like those 90-degree push-ups. I had to arch my back in order to get up. That's okay. Most of the time, I'm all about the form. However, when you're doing a PR like that, sometimes you're gonna break form. That's okay, as long as you're aware and understand that when it gets to a point, you're way more injury prone. So I know I was still okay there, that's why I finished at the rep, but I don't always do that. So I always try to keep good form. As you can tell in the beginning, I'm gonna continue to work at that tiger bend. I will get it eventually, so stay tuned for that. And again, if you do have any advice, please comment or DM me at core_calisthenics. And overall, I felt really strong today. That was one of my better days, especially again, after lifting, and my shoulders and triceps and chest are just like super pumped. I am super pumped right now. Love handstand push-ups, might be my favorite workout of all time. So that being said, if you got something away from this video, if you did like it, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. There's every single workout I know in there, and me explain the right way to perform it under 1 to 2 minutes. Stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.